How to unblock yourself on Instagram when someone blocked you. So let's find the way. There is something different in Instagram that give you unblock option from someone's account. So let's open the Instagram first. After that, once you have opened the Instagram first, then that you need to tap on the profile option. Then you're gonna tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. You will scroll a little bit down. You will find the help and privacy center. You're gonna tap on the help option and then select the report a problem and then report submit problem here. After that, you will submit the problem. Then you could go back and tap on the search bar right here. You will type any open any account that you have blocked yourself. That Instagram doesn't give any kind of option that you do unblock yourself. So you just unblock when you will unblock yourself when the person will unblock you from their side. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.